Creating a credit note, guided flow. Learn how to manually create a credit note against an invoice. Click Documents. Click Invoices. Search for the invoice you want to create the credit note against. Click on the document number to open the invoice. Click Plus Credit Note. Enter the credit note number. Ensure to copy the document number exactly, including any preceding zeros and special characters. This number needs to be unique, i.e. not already existing in Purchase Plus, and will cause an error if a duplicate number is entered. Select the credit note date. Enter the credit note total, including tax. Enter the credit note tax total. Purchaser, supplier, department and account will default to those already associated with the invoice. There is no need to change these fields. Enter the reference, input a general description of the credit note or follow the naming convention set by your finance team. Click Save. The department and account have been extracted from the original purchase order. The credit note tax total and credit note total have been populated from the previous pop-up. This is what will be returned to you from your supplier. Click the green plus button to add a line item to the invoice. This line item should be the product you are receiving a credit for. Insert at least 3 letters to search our master catalog for the product you are receiving a credit against. Alternatively, if you would like to create an informal product, select Next and complete the relevant fields. Enter the unit price. Enter the quantity. Enter the tax percentage. The header account and header department will default to those selected previously when creating your credit note. If you would like to amend these, you can do so here. Click Save once all fields have been completed. Enter the quantity of the products you are receiving a credit for, hitting Enter on your keyboard to save. If necessary, adjust the unit price for any products you are receiving a credit for, hitting Enter on your keyboard to save. The balancing lines display in green if the credit note total matches the expected total. The credit note can then be released. If the credit note totals do not match, the numbers will display in red. Out of balance credit note totals mean something needs to be adjusted in the body of the invoice before it can be released. Once your credit note is balanced, click Release. You have completed this task.